How to use Google Gemini for spreadsheet help. To use this feature, if you are on desktop, you can use it for free. All you have to do is access the official spreadsheet site of the Google or Google Sheets, and from there simply tap on sparkling icon located on the top right. Or if you are in device just like me, all you have to do is, first of all, you have to make sure that you have Google Workspace account and subscribe to the premium version of it. Now, if you don't have this, what you can do is simply head to this official Google Workspace site from your browser, then tap on this Get Started option, and then you can choose to create a new account or simply upgrade your personal account to the Workspace account. Once you do so, all you have to do is open the Sheets application, then select any of these sheets that you want help for, and then you should be able to find that sparkling icon or Gemini icon on the top navigation bar. All you have to do is simply tap on it and give your prompts, and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.